Wife don't believe that he still can training. He doesn't know I want to go training. They don't worry about the age. They don't even about the condition. Of course, we are aware that. Okay, sometimes only little obstacle coming, we can be stopped. Do you been stop this, or you still carry on do what you really can do? You have a strong mind. That good gratitude. That's help you jump over and help you jump higher, help you make you different. Because that obstacle we can treat as a stone. Over the stone on the top, jumping down, beautifully down. Or they can stop there, block you. This is the end of the world. It is a big stone here, you can't see over. So, training Kung Fu, strong physical, strong mentally. That's how the willpower, the pain we go through the training, bring that good quality to you. So in Kung Fu Life, I really, really wish you bring that quality into the everyday life. Instead only in the training ground. I have to be applied. Not only cultivate, if you don't know how to apply, you're still reading 1,000 books. You can't use it.
Under the rainbow.